Today we're going to be making a slime smoothie from our current restock and a few extras. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon for post notifications. Let's go! These slimes are from my current restock. Check it out on my website. Now it's time to make a slime smoothie! We have our first slime, which is bubblegum donut. It is a nice pastel purple with clay on top. Okay, I'm gonna scoop it out. And it's a bit sticky because today is super hot. It's like 33 degrees. So that's what happened to the slime. It smells heavenly. Like the bubblegum scent is still super strong. Look at that color. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Okay, last little scoop. So this slime is one of my slime videos. It is add every glitter into slime, and look at that beautiful. Look at that at the bottom. Look at the bottom. Look at the bottom. Wow, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna add it in. Oh my God, it looks so pretty yet ugly yet pretty. Okay. Like this is like a lot of glitter I added into the slime. So next up is, ooh, cheat week. Oh, one of my favorites. Oh, it smells so good. So it is scented like black raspberry and vanilla. It is a super buttery slime. So it's a thick butter slime with even more clay added to it. It is a bit sticky. Don't worry, I have activator on hand. Woo! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wednesday. Yes. This one looks so beautiful. Okay, before I actually dump it. So at the bottom, there's like green shift to white, and there is silver glitter. It looks so pretty. Oh God, it's sticky, no. Yes. Look at that, it's like as black. I don't know what to say, it's so black. But actually it's purple! Ooh, okay, rose milk gola. This one has a really nice smell. Uh-oh. Who cares? This one has a really nice smell and it's super crunchy. Just like, what? It comes with 2 syrups, which is one like bingsu syrup and one thick and glossy syrup, so you can decorate your rose milk. Uh-oh. Cloud dough. This I can easily take it out and play with it a little bit. Goodbye, my perfect cloud dough. I'm gonna drizzle you into the slime because you're better than everybody else. This one scented like bubblegum. Yes, I'm gonna miss you. This is gonna be a big smoothie. I wonder if I can drink it. No, I cannot, sadly. What color is this gonna turn into? I think it's gonna turn into like a glittery burgundy. I feel like it. Ooh, this is so sizzly. So this is just basically clay on top. Oh yes, nice and smooth. So this is scented like cold coffee. The one I just added is cold coffee and it's scented like cold coffee. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Oi, oi, oi. That's our Australian day slime. Oh my God. And it has like a rainbow flag. Wow. It's just upside down. I love the smell for this. It's like super nice and the slime is super thick. The beads are so nice in there. So there's white bingsu, red bingsu, and blue fishbowl beads. We make it so crunchy. It makes great ASMR. Like, we have only a few left. This is lemonade. Oh God, it's sticky. Oh God. Oh, that's a lot of bingsu. It's a super crunchy slime. Crunchier than Wednesday. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that container. It's so messy. And lemonade is scented like, well, lemons. So next up we have Lucky Ducky. This is my favorite color, teal. Remember that. This one isn't too sticky, I believe. Oh, and the females for this are glow in the dark. Glow in the dark. Can you believe that? Okay, next up we have mango milkshake. Okay. Ooh, that's a thick, juicy slime. That's really nice. That's pretty thick. Oh my God, we're finished! Time to mix this masterpiece. Oh my God, oh, the texture, it's so weird. It's not sticky. Oh God, it's sticky. Activator, please. I'm only adding very little because this is a very strong solution. Oh God, it's like a lot to mix and a lot to take in. Okay, I'm gonna move this aside a little bit. Oh, I can see the glitter slime. Ah! I think the purple would take over, honestly. I'm just putting some activator on my hands. Oh my God. It's like so hard to mix since there's so many slimes in here. I was wrong. I think it's gonna turn into a gray, but with a weird texture, like extremely weird. I'm not like hybrid, like weirder than a hybrid butter slime snow fizz. Trust me, it's pretty weird texture. It's fun, but a weird texture. Okay, I think I added a bit too much activator. Okay, back to the slime. Ooh, big bubble. It's not like a really thick slime, if I have to say, but it's pretty good. Like, if I could change up the color and a bit of the texture, I would really like it. Oh, I can see my cloud dough. You are doing perfectly fine. Okay, I will save you, maybe. It's a big arm workout. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to end it here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell icon to keep posted for future videos. Thank you so much. Don't forget to leave a like. And I love you all so